Ladies and gentlemen, Pastor Tony here, Restoration Church of Rhode Island. Listen, we have some exciting news for our drive-through services this coming weekend on Saturday, April 11th at 5 p.m. and then on Sunday, April 12th at 9:30 and 11. There's some logistical things that we want to share with you, some specific instructions that we want to give you. So I just want you to follow along with me, all right? Let's go. Okay, so driving up on Lexington Avenue now. Remember that the speed limit is, whoa, hold on a second. All right, the Easter Bunny does not look happy. So I am on Lexington Avenue and we are actually going to be entering where the exit is at. And you see there's a greeter there. It says a welcome sign. You're going to carefully make this turn. Thank you, greeter. Pastor Mike is there. All right, and the first sign that you see is tune into 88.5 on your radio. There we go. Okay, that's going to be the radio station. And this sign looks like it didn't have lunch, but it says please stay. Some instructions, because I know you guys like instructions. Please stay in your car with your windows up and no honking. Got that? And then after that last sign, there'll be another parking attendant here saying to go this way. And you follow instructions, because I know you guys like instructions. And then there'll be another parking attendant here giving further instructions. So Saturday and Sunday really is about following instructions. Thank you very much. And we'll come right here. Oh, whoa!
Put your window up!
Oh,
Good job!